Now moving on, let's also get in some news coming in from Bengaluru, where a Mercedes car went on a rampage for nearly 1.5 kilometers, leaving 1 dead and 5 injured in the city. An orthopedic doctor, Dr. N.S. Shankar, was behind the wheels, who, according to police, was in an inebriated state. Around 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, the doctor lost control of his vehicle and ploughed through 6 vehicles between Ashoka Pillar and the Lalbagh area of Bengaluru. Now, the doctor's maid and a 2-year-old daughter were travelling with him. They managed to escape unhurt. After injuring 5 persons and running down a scooter driver who died on the spot, the car rammed into an empty house, which brought the vehicle to a grinding halt. Joining me live on the phone line is Rohini Swami now. In fact, we are cutting across live to her. Rohini, take us now through the latest in the case as far as the investigations or the police interrogation go.
Well, Smita, where I stand right now in Barisantra, this is the last point where actually the car rammed into the residence of a person's house, and you can see the kind of damage that has taken place with the vehicle going right into the house. And as of now, the police have arrested him and they have booked cases against him according to the CRPC. But the thing is that one person has lost his life, and apart from that, 5 others have been injured. Another point also that is to be raised is the fact that the kind of damage that is taking place, because this lady's house that you actually see that has been damaged by that car. पुलिस ने क्या बोला है आपको घर के बारे में?
हमारा घर के बारे में पुलिस अब पूरा माजर करने के बाद आपको क्या करने के लिए तो वो कर देंगे करके बोला था, और कुछ अभी तक कुछ नहीं है।
आप मैसूर गए थे, आप घर में नहीं थे?
हम नहीं थे, घर में नहीं थे, मैसूर गए थे।
हाँ। अगर आप घर में होते तो आपकी बहुत
सब जने जाना पड़ेगा, सब जने मरना पड़ेगा। 6 जने भी चले जाता था हमने। बाद में हमको मालूम पड़ा, आने के बाद क्या हुआ करके हमको स्पॉट देखने के बाद मालूम पड़ा।
She has been staying here for nearly 50 years, and the point she's also raising is that her entire family had gone to Mysore, or they've actually, they would have all been in possibly either they've been extremely hurt. But the point is, one, that the police investigation shows that he was in an inebriated condition. Secondly, they are checking on his medically examining whether he did have an epileptic attack while he was driving, like it was said in his defense. And third and more importantly, the arrest that has taken place, because it has led to the death of one scooterist, one person who has lost his life. And let me tell you, Smita, that person who lost his life was actually telling people that this car was running amok. He was trying to save other people's lives, and he ended up losing his life in that.
Okay, very, very tragic. In fact, that entire incident, perhaps a serious lesson for people that you cannot drink and drive. Many thanks, Rohini Swami, for getting us those updates from Bengaluru. It's time for a quick...
Obviously, we can, focus on the positive things that we did there against Australia.
We've got a very different team to those games that we played. We went through quite a few players throughout those 3 games.
Madam, Congress